Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Discord error code 1004. The error reads, failed to save server guide. Check that the permissions on your to-do and resource channels are set correctly. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, this error comes when users try to save the server guide, especially after creating a new server. According to our research, the error occurs because the welcome message is missing. Without it, the server guide cannot be saved or enabled. To deal with the error, we suggest is to check if you have set up the welcome message. The server guide will not save or enable unless the welcome message is present. So, make sure to create the welcome message and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.